Hello, if you want to calculate how old is the person, for example, 35-year-old with 3 months and 18 days. So let me show you how to calculate it. Okay, let's delete this. So here the birthday. So let's calculate year. So we start with the formula called date different. Okay, open and the start date here and up to today. So we have first date, start date, and end date, and date is today. So we put the today formula right here, and we want to show number of the year. So the format is y, save y. Okay, so 35 years. Let me show the formula right here, so you got the idea. Okay, what about calculate the month? So let me lock this first, F4, or you can press $ before and front. So just drag here, and then we change here to YM. So we want to get only month. How many months? 35 years, but it over 35 years. So how many? 3 months. Okay, up to today. And how many days? So we use MD, the format MD. So the person is 35-year-old with 3 months and 38 days. Okay, so the formula right there. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe or follow. See you in the next video.